What's up guys, welcome back to AV Geek 147. Today we're flying on American Airlines from RDU to PHL. Like always, let's get our travel on. So here we are once we've walked into the lounge. If we turn to our right, we go down our hallway. If we turn to the left up here, we'll see our sitting area and movie room. If we keep walking to the back, there's more chairs and the bar. So we have our original desserts, cookies, brownies, and then we have our new food. They've updated it to a Southwest salad now, but now we have chili and mac and cheese too, and so a little bit of dry food. When I say Southwest salad, I mean lettuce, chicken, beans, corn, cheese. And what else? We got tomatoes, Fritos, and a variety of other good things. Here we are boarding the E190. I was able to go into the cockpit and get a few shots. This plane is a 99-seater aircraft. Here we are walking down the aisle to go to our seat. Here's our seat, 13A. Pretty good leg room, and nobody beside me. The windows on this airplane are pretty big for a smaller jet. Here is the seat rest button to make your seat go back. One quick little up and down. Here's the E190 safety card. This is the American Airlines food booklet. This is the AA in-flight entertainment brochure. As long as you follow the instructions in the booklet, you will be able to watch free movies and TV shows. So right now I'm connected to the GoGo in-flight. I'm going to click on GoGo. I'm going to open up the AA Entertainment app or website. Watch the little ad that they have. I just fast forward. And then you're going to see a bunch of different movies. You can pick any of them. So I click on one, click watch. Click on the one that you have, the app. I have the GoGo Entertainment app, so I click that. Then I click watch one more time, and I click allow. For the in-flight service, they always give you a drink, Biscoff cookies, mini pretzels. I also got Pringles. I want to personally thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that you stay in the know about what happens over here at AVG147. Like always, thanks for watching.